All right, guys, we're gonna be starting our unit on cell biology today, and the way we're gonna be studying it is we're gonna be breaking down the cell actually into all its different organelles. We're gonna be studying them individually, and then by the end of the unit, you should have a comprehensive understanding of all the different organelles and how they work together in the cell. So I've got a short little YouTube video for you guys. It goes over the brief anatomy of the cell. Then I'll let you guys get to work studying on your own. I'll be walking around helping you if you've got any questions. Yeah, so the big project for this unit is going to be you're going to be giving some kind of presentation on the animal cell. So even though you guys are only studying one thing per day, I still want you guys. I want you to retain all that information. I want you to bring it all together. I want you to show me that you understand the workings of a cell. Oh, cool! I got Golgi apparatus and mitochondria.
My God, cytoplasm. I got ribosomes and lysosomes.
I got endoplasmic reticulum and the nucleolus.
I got the nucleus and the nuclear envelope.
Hey Jordan, I think you forgot to pick another one.
Yes, thank you. Oh, cell membrane. Great, I love that.
Nice.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Good, pretty good.
So what are we studying today? What'd you guys pull?
I got the cell membrane and cytoplasm.
Cool.
And I got ribosomes and lysosomes.
Cool. What'd you guys learn so far?
I learned that the cell membrane is kind of like the bag that keeps everything inside, and it's actually has holes in it, and it lets like the nutrients go inside for powering the cell, and it also keeps toxins out so that
It's cool. Do you know who does that yet?
not yet. No, I'm working on it.
That's cool. You're gonna look at you should look into that more. That's cool.
Thanks.
How about you?
Well, so far I learned that the function of the ribosome is protein synthesis, so it makes protein in the cell. And also that the lysosome, they digest and remove waste from the cell. That's
Awesome.
all I learned so far, but
That's good. Yeah, keep going, guys. It's awesome.
will do.
Guys, little review from yesterday too. I just want to go over some stuff. Make sure I want you guys to go over some stuff. Make sure you're on the right track. So, Jordan, what were your first? What organelles were you studying?
I was studying the cell membrane and cytoplasm.
What do they look like?
Well, cytoplasm is kind of like a liquid. It's made of like mostly water and salt, and the cell membrane is kind of like a net. It's not actually just like a whole solid thing.
Cool. Great. Justin,
Oh, I had the ribosomes and lysosomes.
what do they look like?
Well, the ribosome's a small circular shape if you have it as a diagram, but it's made up of two different subunits that have different functions. And the lysosome is a bit bigger cell, or bigger circle with little dots of proteins in them. It's kind of
Cool.
like that, yeah.
Awesome. Brock.
I had the endoplasmic reticulum, which kind of looks like a honeycomb would, but it's linear. It's really hard to describe. Kind of looks like if you were to cut an onion open and hollow out every second layer or something like that. And I also had the nucleolus, which is basically just a little sphere inside the big nucleus sphere.
Awesome. Good work, guys. Let's get to work. Cool. All right, guys. We're still doing animal cells. We've been doing these for a while now. We're just gonna do a bit more review. I expect some more in-depth answers than just basic functions. So, Brock, what have you been studying? What did you study yesterday?
The nucleolus.
Nucleolus. Cool. And how does the nucleolus interact with some other organelles?
Well, it contributes to creating the small and large subunits of a ribosome, because the ribosome is composed of two different parts. So this creates both of those parts, and it becomes a ribosome.
Cool. Great. Justin, what were you studying?
I was studying lysosomes.
Lysosomes? Cool. Can you tell me like a disease, deficiencies with
Oh, I don't know about that, but I noticed that they remove waste and they can attack such stuff as viruses and bacteria to help combat, I guess, sicknesses and stuff like that.
Cool.
If that makes sense.
Do you know anything about like when they stop working, when they're not working right?
Not exactly, no.
All right. Well, whoever's doing that today, let's try to figure some of that out. Let's get on that for Justin. We'll tell him at the end of class.
All right.
Hey, Justin, you ready?
Ready.
Awesome. All right, guys. Quiet down. Brock, put your phone away. Justin's gonna be doing his presentation, so yeah, give him yours.
Hi everybody, we're going to be talking about the animal cell today. First, well, I'm going to talk about different organelles in it. First, we're going to start with the ribosome. Now, what is it made of? The ribosome consists of two major components. A small ribosomal subunit, which reads the RNA, a larger subunit, which joins amino acids. And the function of a ribosome is that it synthesizes proteins in the cell. Now, every cell needs ribosomes to manufacture proteins. And that's about it. Any questions?
Yeah, I've got one for you, Justin. About a week ago, I asked you if there's any diseases associated with lysosomes, and you didn't know any yet. So can you tell me anything about that now?
Well, I found out that mutations in proteins can cause bone marrow failure, so I guess that could be one.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, awesome. Good to see you followed up on that.